Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi Peach one. 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 Good day, good day, good day, good day. Happy Friday! Or Friday. So, this is an DIY iron-on symbol of mine with Saran Wrap and parchment paper. So, I did have the regular iron-on paper, but I decided to save that for the clothing that I'm doing. So I've ironed these on with Saran Wrap. So, yeah, I wanted to put my own symbol on my own towels instead of doing the Chanel or what they say, Gucci and all the other names. I'm not advertising for them. And yes, it matches the theme that I'm having in my bathroom. So my bathroom is silver. No, I'm going to say gray, yellow, and white. So this is my symbol, Fendi Peach one, the brown heart with the peach. And there's only one me. So I love it so much that I wanted to incorporate it all around my home. Yeah, I know it's cheesy, but I'm a cheesy person. So you do what's best for you, and I'll do what's best for me. Ain't that right, Superman, Super Baby? Anywho, Fendi Peach one. Yeah, this one we're going to call it vintage. It was the very first one I did. This is the second one I did, and that's the third one I've done. And the white one at the top on the small towel is the fourth one I've done. You see they get better and better with time. So this is on the original iron-on paper. I didn't want to use that. I'm going to save that for the clothing. And I thought this was on paper, but it's actually on the iron-on. But they didn't give me the bottom because I don't know why. I guess I was trying to do it on the printer and it didn't come out right. So, yeah, that one's vintage. These look very, very nice to me. So, I'd rather have Fendi Peach 1 instead of someone else's name on my stuff. Now, I know Fendi is a name brand, but in high school, I figured, like, I don't want to be like everybody else. No one was rocking Fendi in high school. So I decided to be different. And I also love that the Fendi was this brown, dark brown color that I liked so much. So I decided to rock Fendi, and they didn't understand. No one still got any Fendi, though. Fendi is ever so popular right now in 2022 and 2021. But anywho, but it's been popular, but everybody's like going crazy over since 2020 or 2019. But anywho, these are my little symbols of my Fendi Peach one, and I love them, love them, love them. I'm just trying to incorporate. Yeah, you want to say something, baby? I love them so much. So I'm just going to call this one the vintage one because it was the first one I've done. Didn't come out all the way. And when you do the Saran Wrap, you have to make sure that there are no wrinkles in the Saran Wrap. So you put the Saran Wrap all around the symbol that you want. I'm not cleaning up a single rumor you hear about me. I don't give a fuck what you heard. Go fucking hear that shit again. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Go moo. Go moo.